Today, we're talking about something that could redefine how you make and receive payments across borders, the BRICS payment system. Whether you're running a business, freelancing, or just interested in global finance, this is a game changer. So let's break down exactly how you can leverage this system to boost your profits, save on fees, and even expand your opportunities. Welcome to Brics-reimagined. I am Imran. Let's start with why the BRICS payment system matters. BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are building their own financial network, separate from the traditional Western banking systems. Why? To make trade easier and cheaper among their economies, and ultimately, to break free from the high fees and limitations imposed by traditional banks and currency exchanges. This means for anyone doing cross-border transactions, the BRICS payment system can offer huge cost savings and faster processing times. 1. Get familiar with local currencies for direct payments. One of the biggest advantages of the BRICS payment system is that it allows you to trade directly in local currencies instead of defaulting to the US dollar. If you're working with a client in Brazil, you can now receive payment in Brazilian real or Indian rupees without the hassle and fees of converting everything to dollars. By cutting out the extra conversion steps, you're reducing fees and keeping more of your earnings. This strategy is also powerful because it can improve relationships with international partners. Clients and partners love it when you make transactions smoother and cheaper for them. And as they save money on fees, they're more likely to send more business your way, creating a win-win situation. 2. Leverage lower transaction fees for business savings. Cross-border payments traditionally have high transaction fees, but the BRICS payment system is designed to be cheaper. With fewer intermediaries, lower processing fees, and less dependency on third-party banks, you're saving right from the start. For a business, this adds up fast. Lower transaction fees mean higher profit margins, and if you're regularly moving money internationally, those savings can be substantial. Let's put it in perspective. For every $1,000 you transfer, traditional banks might charge $20 to $50 in fees. With the BRICS system, you could be looking at a fraction of that, especially if you're transferring between BRICS countries. Now imagine reinvesting those saved fees back into your business, buying inventory, or even into advertising. Your profits grow simply by switching how you send and receive payments. 3. Capitalize on faster payment processing. Time is money, and anyone who's waited days for an international transfer knows how frustrating delays can be. The BRICS payment system is designed for faster transactions, often completing in hours instead of days. This speed gives you a big advantage, especially in industries where timing is everything, like e-commerce, consulting, or even export-import businesses. For instance, if you're a supplier waiting on a payment to order new stock, those few extra days make a difference. With the BRICS system, the faster turnaround time helps you keep your supply chain moving smoothly, which can give you an edge over competitors who are still dealing with traditional banking delays. 4. Hedge against currency volatility. Currency fluctuations are a reality in international trade, and with BRICS currencies, the volatility can be an opportunity or a risk. The BRICS payment system can actually work to your advantage here. Because it allows for currency swaps between BRICS nations, you can manage or hedge against currency swings by holding funds in different BRICS currencies. For example, if you know the Indian rupee is expected to strengthen against the South African rand, you can choose to hold funds in rupees for a period and convert later at a profit. You're not just making payments here, you're strategically managing your currency, which is a powerful way to preserve your earnings in the face of market shifts. 5. Consider using digital wallets for seamless integration. BRICS is pushing for integration with digital wallets and fintech platforms, meaning you can hold funds, receive payments, and manage transactions right on your phone. This setup is perfect for freelancers, small business owners, or even large corporations who want a simple way to handle cross-border payments without needing multiple bank accounts. Digital wallets make it easy to move funds between currencies at lower fees and often provide better exchange rates than traditional banks. And here's the real benefit. It brings you closer to your money. You're not waiting on long bank processing times or paying unnecessary fees. Everything's accessible, and you can transfer funds when it's most convenient or profitable for you. And lastly, 6. Explore opportunities for global expansion with lower costs. With a system like this in place, you're opening doors for your business or freelance work to expand across borders. Instead of being restricted by the usual costs of international payments, the Brics payment system gives you the chance to take on clients, projects, or partners you might have previously avoided because of high fees. And let's face it, Brics nations make up over 40% of the world's population. That's a huge market potential right there. Imagine reaching out to a new client base in India or offering services to a company in Russia without worrying about transaction limits or bank fees chipping away at your profits. With fewer barriers to trade, you're now in a prime position to expand globally while keeping the same level of profitability. The Brics payment system is more than just a new way to send money. It's a financial tool that can cut costs, save time, and even help you grow internationally. By adopting this system, you're aligning yourself with a future-focused, efficient way of managing payments in a global economy. And remember, the sooner you adopt it, the quicker you'll see the benefits in your profits and cash flow. So if you found these strategies useful, hit like, follow, and subscribe. Start building your wealth, save on those fees, and tap into the massive Brics economy. Let's make cross-border transactions work for you, not against you.